Welcome back to Dagbani 101 with Dagbani Media Foundation. Today, we are going to learn about the missing letters. As a beginner, you might have noticed that some letters in the English alphabet are not found in the Dagbani alphabet. And these letters are letter Q and letter X. You won't find these letters in any Dagbani word. And also, the letter C doesn't stand alone. It always joins with H to form the sound ch, as in the word chichi, bicycle. And another interesting fact is that there is no native word in Dagbani that starts with R. All the letters you find in Dagbani that start with R are always borrowed words. And even with that, in pronouncing it, these letters change from R to L. Example is Rubaba. We change it into Lubaba. Another example is Rubber, and with that we change it into Lɔba. Another example is Rabi. Mostly people say it's Labi. These are examples of words that start with R that are changed into L in Dagbani. I hope you've learned something today. In the comment section, comment below some words that start with R that have been changed into L.